am Garrett Wagner. And I'm going to show you how to recover R410A. So first, I'm going to be taking element out of this heat pump. And first, you want to have a hose coming from your high side into your the manifold gauge. Then have a hose coming into your other recovery unit. As well as into your the recovery tank. First gonna turn on your the gauges. Purge the hose for like 5 seconds. Okay, and then you're gonna open up your tank, and then you're gonna turn on and then you wait until those zero. Then you're good. Yeah.